Ciao lovelies, it's Lunaria here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Halloween craft. And today's Halloween craft is going to be how to make a pom-pom spider. I also might turn this into a magnet and surprise my CG with it on the fridge. So, what you need: hot glue. You can also use regular glue, but just be careful with drying times and making sure that everything is secure before you move on. You'll need pipe cleaners. I'm using these striped ones because they're orange and black and it feels appropriate for Halloween. You need pom-poms. You need 2 pom-poms. You need a small one and a big one. And you need googly eyes. I'm going to use these. So, I'm going to fold our pipe cleaner in half. And I'm going to cut it in half. Boop. Boop. There we go. And same for this one. I'm just going to come up here and fold it in half. Then, with the half pipe cleaners, literally just do exactly what I was doing before with the big ones. So, there's 4, so you're going to do this to make the 8 legs, right? 2, and then, again, fold up, fold down, fold up. And you're going to repeat this on each of the half pipe cleaners. Okie dokie. Now that you've got all your legs for your spider, you're going to want to put them together because you're going to want to have 4 on each side, right? So take each set of legs and try to bend or twist them together. You can also just hot glue them together, and honestly that might be what I do because that looks easier. And you can wait to do this until after you go to hot glue the body on. That actually will probably make things significantly easier. So, now that I've figured out my methodology, let's go. And so, I am going to start gluing the legs onto the body. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put hot glue on the pom-pom. Oh geez, that was scary. I'm going to burn my hands with hot glue. Oof. Anyway, I'm going to use the hot glue to put the legs on the big pom-pom. Now the reason I'm doing them on the big pom-pom is because the little pom-pom is the head. So the big one is the abdomen, like on a real spider. So there's one side for the leggies. And then put this away. And do these. Oof, careful not to burn yourself. And this. Ouch. Yeah, ouch. That's what I mean. It's hot. Be careful. It's hot. You might hurt yourself. It's painful. Okay. So while this dries, cools down, dries, whatever, while this is setting, I guess, is the way to put it, leave it over there to dry. Next, we're going to put the eyes on the face. So take the small pom-pom and get him ready for eyes, and get your googly eyes ready as well. So, the way I'm gonna do this, just for my own sanity, is I'm gonna put the hot glue onto the googly eyes, and I'm just gonna shove the pom-pom. Uh-oh, that didn't work the way I thought it would at all. Man, oh man, this is not going well. Oof. Right. Stop! Can we just work the way we're supposed to? Ugh, I'm struggling. Okay. I'm just gonna clean that one up. Alright. Now we've got our little spider face. And there's his little body. Let me make sure the limbs are all kind of logically spaced and bent. Carefully make sure these are all going according to how they should. And then the last step is you're going to glue the head onto the spider. Now you can do it like a real spider down, you can also do it on top if it's easier. I'm gonna do on top because right now, I have been struggling so hard, I don't feel comfortable doing it the other way. I don't want to struggle again. And there's our boy! There he is! Congratulations, we have made a spider. Ooh, what if we give him a bow tie? I'm gonna give him a bow tie. I have some ribbon. We're gonna do this. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. He gets a bow tie because he spider can. Do I have any reasoning? Not really. So, don't really take things that seriously. I mean, I do, but like crafting is supposed to be fun, so I think it's fine. Where's the other side of this? Alright, make sure that each part of the bow is all nice and fluffed. Nice and fluffed out. I'm gonna do some edits to the bow here. I'm gonna trim this side. Okay. And that's kind of big for a bow tie. He's kind of dwarfed by his bow tie. Oh, but if I put it on... Oh, he needs a bow. He needs like a bow just on top of his head. Straight up. Here, friend. Have that. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So that's something that like I try to share in crafting videos. I want to make sure it comes across, but like it doesn't have to be 100% perfect according to what the plan was, as long as at the end of it you're happy with what you've made. And I am so happy with what I've made. Look at, he's so cute. What are we gonna name him? Leave your name suggestions for him down in the comments. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, sorry, I'm overwhelmed. He's adorable. Thank you, lovely, so much for watching. Please remember to like this video if you liked it, comment if YouTube will allow you, share, and subscribe. All that good stuff. If you like kawaii, DIY, AGERE, etc., please subscribe. I do a lot of content like that. And thank you very much for watching. Please remember to stay awesome, stay awesome, stay awesome, stay awesome. Remember to love yourself. Take great care of yourselves. I will be mad if I find out that you guys have not been taking good care of yourselves, and you would not wish to make me mad, right? Maybe? I don't know. I'm not intimidating. I'm not intimidating at all. Just please take good care of yourselves. Do it for him. If nothing else, do it for him. Anyway. Alright, so that in mind, remember to stay awesome and love yourself, and I'll see you in my next video, post, or, you know, whatever comes next. Bye, lovelies!